While Ukrainians are pushing in the south, capturing settlement by settlement, the command post and the location of the equipment of one of the units of the 58th Combined Arms Army of the Russian Armed Forces is blown to pieces in Tokmak.
Вон, где БТР тоже попали.
Tokmak is one of the main goals of the first stage of Ukrainian offensive, since the town is major railroad hub and important crossroad. Another angle of the Russian military base on Tokmak getting blown up by a Ukrainian missile. The roof went flying. Here we can see a powerful combined assault actions of Ukrainian troops with the support of tanks, BMPs and UAVs in the vicinity of the village of Zalesnyansko, north of Bakhmut. As a result of the assault, the stronghold was occupied, the advance continued, and a significant number of Russians were eliminated. What does the news about the execution of Prigozhin and Utkin mean for Ukraine? First of all, it means Russia will become weaker. A dangerous, cunning, determined, and clever enemy of Ukraine in the person of Prigozhin has been eliminated. He was capable of unconventional approaches and solutions in complex situations, something that neither Putin, Shoigu, Gerasimov, nor their subordinates are capable of. Those war criminals, soldiers and officers of the Russian army, as well as mercenaries from other PMCs who fought against Ukraine and were inspired by Prigozhin and Utkin, are now demotivated. As one such stone bastard wrote yesterday in his Telegram channel, it's not clear whether the hero of Russia, Yevgeny Viktorovich Prigozhin, was on board. But if he was, then pack your belongings and we don't need this war. Wagner PMC as a fighting unit no longer exists, as it was held on the iron will and bloody traditions of Prigozhin and Utkin. The remnants of Wagnerites will be persecuted and will seek salvation by being recruited into the service of dictatorial regimes in Africa, Asia, and Latin America, guarding bloody diamond mining and drug production in the jungle. Of course, they will be offered to sign a contract with Shoigu and go to war against Ukraine. But I think not many will agree to this, as few will want to give their lives again for Putin, whom they hate and who killed their leaders. Tens of thousands of families of the destroyed and wounded Wagnerites, who previously received payments through Prigozhin's structures, will now receive nothing. This will further increase social tensions and the level of internal destabilization in Russia, which, of course, is to our advantage. Also, this public execution will increase tension and uncertainty among the Kremlin elites. I also do not rule out and would like very much if a small secret group were to be created among the most loyal to Prigozhin and Utkin Wagnerites, which would set upon itself the task to take revenge on Putin, Shoigu, and Gerasimov at any cost, and liquidate them according to the laws of bandit bloody vengeance. I believe and hope that all these three scoundrels will now definitely not live to see the 33rd anniversary of Independence Day. RDK, a unit of the Ukrainian army, composed of Russian citizens, has released a video inviting Wagner to switch sides and march on Moscow with them.
Обращаюсь к бойцам ЧВК «Вагнер», для которых слова «верность» и «честь» еще имеют какой-то смысл. Судя по всему, вчера были цинично казнены ваш отец-основатель и командир. И вы прекрасно знаете, кто за этим стоит. Поэтому сейчас вы стоите перед серьезным выбором. Либо стать в стойло Министерства обороны Российской Федерации и служить цепными псами для палачей ваших командиров, или отомстить. Чтобы отомстить, вам нужно перейти на сторону Украины. Если вы не совершали военных преступлений, мы приглашаем вас в наши ряды. Давайте вместе закончим кровавую мясорубку СВО, а потом отправимся маршем на Москву. И в этот раз не будем останавливаться за 200 километров от МКАД, а дойдем до конца.
The local Russian coroner office has arrived to collect the scattered parts of Prigozhin and friends. Prigozhin's phone has been found, but his body has not yet been identified. Putin must be carefully watching to be sure he got his targeted man. We killed Prigozhin. Go Russia!
Украина пыталась убить Пригожина, они его объявляли врагом номер один, все западные разведки спецслужбы пытались его ликвидировать, но мы, русские, сами сделали.
На месте,
Россия!
In Kherson, the Ukrainian forces made an unusual gift to the occupiers. They launched a Ukrainian flag on the left bank of the Dnipro River, which is temporarily under Russian occupation.
Пускай! За святом!
Все, ёбаю. Варя.
Валимо від селя! Зі святом усіх! Слава Україні!
Oleksandr Syrsky, commander of the Ukrainian ground forces, has used his Telegram channel to post a video with the message that he worked in the main areas of operations of Ukrainian troops in the Lyman and Soledar joint task forces. The main goal was to study the operational situation directly in the areas of combat operations, to study problematic issues in order to take appropriate measures to resolve them. We worked out the actual tasks with the commanders of brigades and operational and tactical groups, adjusted the timing and procedure for their implementation. Of course, I met with our warriors who distinguished themselves in battles with the enemy, congratulated them on Independence Day, presented them with awards, valuable gifts and certificates for monetary rewards, thanked them for their courage, fortitude, and heroism. We continue to perform combat missions. Glory to Ukraine, he said. Burj Khalifa in Dubai on Independence Day of Ukraine. We will always be a friend to Ukraine in its fight for freedom. To mark Ukrainian Independence Day today, Scott's band performed a special musical tribute outside the iconic Edinburgh Castle.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.